What is up, everyone? Welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for everything cutting edge in the world of technology. If you've been holding off on buying a new tablet because you're waiting for something that can truly replace your laptop, then today's video is exactly what you need. We are diving deep into the massive, exclusive leaks surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Samsung is preparing to drop a bombshell on the market that might just make the M4 iPad Pro look like yesterday's news. We're talking about a device that blurs the line between mobile and desktop like never before. From a rumored 24 gigabytes of RAM to a design that finally tackles the notch, there is so much to unpack. We've gathered the most authentic data from supply chain leaks in South Korea and regulatory filings to give you the full picture. So, is this the year Samsung finally kills the laptop? Let's get into it. The tablet market has been in a bit of a stalemate lately, but if the latest reports are anything to go by, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is about to shake the very foundations of the premium segment. For years, we've seen incremental upgrades, but the S12 Ultra is shaping up to be a generational leap. The headline feature that has everyone talking is the display. Samsung has long been the king of screens, but for the S12 Ultra, they are reportedly moving to a Gen 3 Tandem OLED panel. If you're a creator or a movie buff, this is huge. Tandem OLED uses 2 layers of organic light-emitting diodes, which essentially doubles the brightness and significantly extends the lifespan of the panel. We are looking at a peak brightness that could hit an insane 2,800 nits. Imagine working on a 14.6-inch canvas in direct sunlight and still seeing every detail with perfect HDR contrast. But here's the kicker. The leaks suggest Samsung is finally aiming for a notchless design. By utilizing a more advanced under-display camera system, they might finally give us that 94% screen-to-body ratio we've been dreaming of. This isn't just a tablet. It's a floating window into your digital world. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, because this is where things get truly ultra. While the Tab S11 series experimented with MediaTek, the word on the street for the S12 Ultra is a return to Qualcomm, but with a twist. We are expecting the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 specifically tuned for the Galaxy ecosystem. This chip is built on a 3nm process that prioritizes sustained performance. Tablets have more surface area for cooling than phones, and Samsung is reportedly leaning into this by including a massive vapor chamber. But the spec that will make your jaw drop? 24 gigabytes of LPDDR6 RAM? You heard that right? That is more memory than most high-end MacBooks and Windows laptops. Why does a tablet need 24 gigabytes of RAM? The answer lies in 2 words: HyperDeX. An AI Samsung is reportedly overhauling its desktop interface into something called HyperDeX. This isn't just a mobile UI dressed as a desktop. It's a native desktop experience with full Linux kernel integration. The goal is to allow professional-grade applications, think full versions of Premiere Pro or complex coding environments, to run natively on the tablet without the performance bottlenecks we see today. Combined with the new Neural DeX software, the Tab S12 Ultra will use its massive NPU to handle on-device AI. Tasks like real-time video upscaling and generative content creation. This isn't just about circle to search anymore. It's about having a creative studio in your backpack. The build quality is also getting a major pro overhaul, taking a page out of the S26 Ultra's book. The Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to feature a Grade 5 titanium frame. This makes the tablet not only significantly more durable, but also lighter. When you're dealing with a 14.6-inch device, every gram matters for portability. To complement this premium build, Samsung is reportedly launching the S Pen Pro 3. This new stylus is expected to have a record-breaking 1.8 milliseconds latency. For digital artists, this is the holy grail. It's as close to pen on paper as technology can possibly get. Plus, they are adding a new haptic engine inside the pen itself, so you can actually feel the texture of the brush or the friction of a pencil. As you draw on the glass, let's discuss the battery and charging, because a power-hungry machine like this needs serious juice. We are looking at a 12,000 mAh battery, our testing of previous models, Samsung's optimization has always been top tier. But the S12 Ultra aims to push that to a full 2 days of moderate use. And when you do run low, the leaks suggest an upgrade to 80W fast charging. This would be a massive jump from the 45W limit we've seen for years, allowing you to top up this giant battery in a fraction of the time. For the work from anywhere crowd, this is a game changer. On the camera side, while most people don't use a giant tablet for photography, the S12 Ultra is focusing on the front-facing experience. With a dual 12-megapixel setup hidden under the display, the focus is on 4K 60fps video calling with auto framing 2.0. This feature uses AI to keep you perfectly centered and lit, even if you're moving around the room during a presentation. They're also adding a LiDAR sensor to the rear camera array, which isn't for photos but for advanced AR applications and 3D room scanning. For architects and interior designers, this makes the Tab S12 Ultra an essential tool on the job site. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but when can I get it, and how much will it cost? According to the latest certification database listings, the Galaxy Tab S12 series is expected to debut in late 2026, likely following the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in the US. We are looking at a premium price tag to match these premium specs. Expectations are that the Ultra will start at around $1,299 for the 256GB model, with the 1TB 24GB RAM variant pushing closer to $1,799. It's a steep price. But when you consider it's designed to replace both your tablet and your laptop, the value proposition starts to make sense. This tablet represents Samsung's vision for the future of computing. They aren't just making a bigger phone. They're making a versatile powerhouse that adapts to you. Whether you're a student taking notes with the most advanced S Pen ever made, a creator editing 8K footage on a Tandem OLED screen, or a professional running a full desktop setup via HyperDeX, the Tab S12 Ultra is designed to be the only device. You need the competition is fierce, and Apple certainly isn't sitting still. But with the inclusion of 24GB of RAM and the shift to titanium, Samsung is clearly aiming for the crown. If you've made it this far, you're clearly as excited about the future of tech as we are here at TechVibe. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is more than just a spec bump. It's a statement of intent. It tells us that the era of the mobile-only tablet is over and the era of the do-everything device has arrived. We will be keeping a very close eye on further leaks as we get closer to the official Unpacked event, so make sure you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching another deep dive here on TechVibe. We put a lot of work into verifying these leaks to bring you the most authentic information possible. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things Samsung and big tech, do us a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep bringing you this high-quality content. Also, I want to hear from you. Are you team tablet or team laptop? Does the idea of a 24GB RAM tablet make you want to ditch your MacBook? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a vibe. I'll see you in the next one.